Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my elders are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my love everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So girls, it is over today. Bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas, shoulder bags for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful pattern, beautiful ideas. Most demanding daily use collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet pattern. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors, and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And please good comment in comment section. You can ask me in comment section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Beautiful pattern. Some are crochet step style, leather step style, wooden handle, metal handle, pocket style, zipper style. Beautiful ideas. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye. And please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.